Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have another one of these home issues video that I want to tackle. This is a Delta Touch faucet for the kitchen, and it's got a leak. So now I think there's some debris in the mechanism here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it out and basically work on it and show you what I'm doing. So this is the mechanism here. It's got an inlet, and then we want to take this out. I want to turn off all the water that's going in there. I've already taken out the this thing, which is the sensitive the trigger that actually makes the thing work when you touch the faucet. And then you really just need to pull this down here and then take this off here. You can do this by hand, you just got to do it carefully there. And then once you've got everything turned off, you can pull this. Okay, also you need to unplug this. So there's 4 things that you got to do. Then once you get that out, then you can pull these down. There it is. And then this is this. All right, so that's the piece. And then obviously it's connected to your battery here, which you want to take out. Just pause this. All right, so here it is. It's X0090219, version 3.0, and that was built in February 12 of 2019. So this one has this inlet here. You just need to unscrew this, and as you can see here, there's also a filter that we'll take out. So let me pause this for a sec. Okay, so here it is. There's a little filter here that you can take out. You could use a long nose pliers and pretty much see how there's a little handle there. You can try to pull it out. Let me see here. Okay, I need a longer needle nose here. Like I said, there's a little tab there. You can just reach in and you'll notice there's some debris right there. It's a little basket, a little catcher. So we can clean that out with a little brush like this. You could use some little brushes here to clean these out, or a much better way is a little compressor that you can blow out some of this debris. So I'll blow it out here and I'll show you what that looks like. There you go. And I'll clean it up even better, but you can see that there's quite a bit of stuff that's in there that's probably keeping this from breathing properly. And then I'm also going to take this off using big pipe wrench like this. So let me see, hold on for a second. All right, so here you want to take this off, and you got to be careful. You don't just try to pry it. You loosen it a little bit as far as taking a firm grip here, but not just forcing it, but just feel it moving, so you can kind of turn it like this, and then the rest you could probably do by hand. There you go. There you go. So here it is. There's a little diaphragm there. Just gotta make sure that's clean. You can see there's kind of like a, you can see there. Just make sure that's clear. This is clean. You want to blow this out a little bit too. Be careful with it. Maybe use some kind of brush to keep any of the debris out. I see one there. Just make sure the inside is all clean. And then here, you want to make sure all that is clean as well. And then clean off your the sides. So when you put it back, everything is, there's no debris, and nothing will get stuck and provide that leak. So let me go ahead and really clean this out the way I want to. And there's some more stuff that got stuck in here. See how right there? This filter needs to be all clean. Right now there's some black debris in it still. So we want to make sure that that's all free from anything that'll get stuck and give you that leak. All right, this is super clean now. Just throwing out the rest of the debris. Same thing here. Kind of want to just use some air, anything you've got, to make sure it's all nice and clean, or your brushes. And I think we're ready to put it all back. Okay, that means we can screw this back on. You want to make sure that it's, again, 100% clean here. I don't think I did a really super good job, so let me do that now. Okay, as I said, do this slowly. Make sure that the gasket is in place like that, and then when you twist, that it's going in properly. Do not ever force anything if it's not going down the way it should in terms of the threading. Okay, so you can probably just do this by hand, honestly. Just don't put too much force on here to where, you know, it has a chance for you to break, because you need this to properly secure the hose in place. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten that one more time. There. Do this a little bit here, using this, just a little bit, enough. There. No, there's more give. There you go. That's set now. No, this is getting long, but anyway, that's it. Just make sure to do that. Then you got your strainer again. Make sure that's all clean. You can put this back and just pretty much push it back in place like this. Make sure it's all the way down, and then we'll put this back and then see what happens in terms of the leak. Hopefully that cleared it all up. All right, we've got this put back all together now. Make sure the clips here are in place. Everything else is in place. batteries back. Let's go ahead and turn the water back on. Oh, I can see it on now. All right, there it is. The final verdict here. All right, will it stop? I think it will. I think it's... Maybe like one more small particle, or maybe it's just excess water. I think it might just be excess water now. All right, I think I'm okay. Yeah, I think it was just pretty much excess water. There it is, it stopped. So that's it. Just make sure to clean that little filter, that little diaphragm, and I think you're set. Anyway, hope that helps, and you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and possibly join the channel that's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.